Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to my Robinhood portfolio. Today I'd like to take a look at how investors can make money off market volatility. I alluded to this in my video talking about how investors can make money as the stock market declines using inverse ETFs. In the same way, investors can also make money when the VIX or the volatility index increases. Basically, it's a measure of market risk, otherwise referred to as the investor fear gauge. So when there's a lot of uncertainty on the markets, this particular index will increase, and investors can likewise invest in correlating ETFs that track the underlying index to make a good return. And just like my prior video talking about ETFs that have inverse correlation, there's also inverse correlations of the VIX index as well as leveraged accounts. So you can do a simple 1x inverse ETF, or you can leverage it 2x and 3x. So having said all that, let's take a look at some of these different ETFs in which you can invest in. Again, investing in times when you think there's going to be a lot of volatility in the market to get a good rate of return. The first one here is VIXY. If we go to the bottom here, you can see it's tracking index exposure to futures contracts on the CBOE volatility index with an average 1 month maturity. So it gets a little bit complicated in exactly how they come to calculate this particular index, but suffice it to say, if there's lots of events happening within the markets, that there's a lot of fear, investors have a lot of uncertainty, the index goes up. And you can see that over the last week here with the current political environment. This has went up 11.96% over the last week here. And over the last day, you can see how choppy this has been. There's been a lot of uncertainty in the market, a lot of fear among investors. So this is a great way of jumping in and profiting off of that fear. VXX here is another one. You can see this is up 11.3%. Again, a good way of investing on market volatility. If we take a look at the 1 week graph here, you can see 11.3%. TVIX, if we go to the bottom here, you can see this is a leveraged account, 2x exposure. And likewise, you can see over the last week, 20.88%. So essentially double what the VXX was doing, as well as VIXY. It's simply a leverage account that correlates with the volatility index. And likewise, there's also some that have inverse exposure as well. Here's another one that's doing 2x exposure. XIV here, we can see on the bottom, actually they don't have descriptions on the bottom, but this is an inverse ETF here, and you can see over the last week this is down 13.09%. So just like the market inverse ETFs, when the market pulls back, this particular index also increases when there's less volatility in the market. So as the VIX goes up, this goes down, and vice versa. As the VIX goes down, this will go up. So a number of different ETFs to invest in market volatility. XIV here is an inverse ETF. UVXY, another very short-term ETF. Again, following market index volatility within markets. TVIX here, up 20.88%, a leveraged account. VXX here, up 11.3%. And the initial one I began the discussion with, VIXY here, another great stock to jump into if you think there's volatility in the market. And again, these are only for short-term plays. You don't want to hold these for the longer term. These would not be stocks that you'd want to buy and then not take a look at your portfolio for a week or a month. You definitely want to do day and swing trades, at most a couple days with these particular stocks. But again, a good way of trading volatility within the market. If there's a lot of fear in the market, a lot of economic, political instability that translate into market instability, you can make a good profit by utilizing these particular ETFs. It gets very complicated. I just wanted to present a very simplistic way of investing in market volatility. If any of you guys have any additional comments, let me know in the comment threads, and maybe I'll do an updated video. I just found out about these the other day. A user suggested I take a look at the volatility index, and very unique index, very interesting way to play the markets. So kind of with that, I'll end the video. As always, if you enjoy my videos, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. If you guys have any good ideas for videos, any comments about the VIX volatility index, or any other unique ways in trading a market when there's lots of variability with regards to investor fear, and or if the market's trending back, let me know. Always interested in reading up about new topics. So kind of with that, I'll end the video, and we'll see you guys next time.